Hello, my name is Michael Franklin. I was in charge of setting the budget for this event. Our total budget that we had to use was $500. For our venue, we are going to be using the school grounds, so there's no cost associated with the venue. The equipment that we need would be the potato sacks for the potato sack racing and cones. The cones will be provided by the school, and the potato sacks I found on Amazon would run us about $80.95 um, for a few sets of those at four per set. The next budget item was advertising. We used like lawn signs, and I went to like a local shop, got the pricing for both the printing and the signs themselves. We got five signs to put around town at $30.67 a piece. I'm sorry, total, and then so that's $6.13 each. For the personnel, we don't have to pay anybody because we have all volunteers, um, and coaches and other staff members and administrators from the school. Our t-shirts, that was our most expensive part of our budget. We got five small, five medium, five large, five XL, three double XL, and three triple XL, and that's gonna run us $311.74. For insurance, we would be under the school's liability insurance, so we uh, would not have a cost for that. The next would be the newspaper ad, and the newspaper ad ran us about $8 for just one ad one day. Um, Next was the live music. We are going to have local bands, but what we're going to do is use the student bands. They're going to be promoting themselves, performing their music at the event, so we wouldn't have a charge or a cost to us for the live music. And then we have an emergency fund, which was our total leftover. So that equaled out everything to $500 total. So overall, our budget was met and kept, and we have extras for just in case we need to purchase anything.